How you doing? This is Tara. I am on my way to the mall. I just left work. I had to do some overtime. And I just wanted to show y'all a picture of the geeses. You know, the wildlife. They're not usually here. I'm not that close to them. It just looked like it because I had the camera zoomed in. I don't know if they're friendly. So I'm gonna go on the opposite side of the street. And it's almost 10 o'clock. And most people stop serving breakfast at 10. I don't even know, because the sun is shining so bright, I don't even know if y'all can actually see what I'm trying to show y'all. A whole family of them. Yeah. Welcome to Georgia. Flying south for the winter. Well, it's not winter, so that's like a crow or something right there. It just flew up in that tree. We got these blackbirds. Yeah, I'm walking and my storage is full. When my storage is full, my phone lags. So please excuse. Yeah. Yeah. If they're here when I leave, I'll do another one.